Hello, my name is Patel, and this is the video about my website. So I'll just go through the milestones and show each feature that way. So my website is based on a bank. So first, let's create account. The first name I would say, let's see, Spider-Man, just anything. Email spider@test.edu, and some password 12345. It's supposed to be 8, so there's the error message. Click on register and it will say successfully registered. Now let's log in using that email. So welcome Spider, it says my username and it gives me a friendly message. Now user will be able to log out, so we can try logging out. It will successfully log us out. Now let's see the next step. User will be able to see their profile and edit their profile. So let me try logging in using the account that I already have. So it says my username, AaronMS1. I can go to my profile and I can see all the details. It says my email, username, first name, last name. If I want to change the password, I can do that as well. And it says if my account is private or public. Okay, so let me try to edit my profile and change my name. Let me change my last name from Patel to Stone, for example. Click on update profile and it will say profile saved. So now once I go on home and go back to profile, it will say the new last name. If I want to change it back to Patel, I can do that as well. Okay. That would say profile saved. And this is the dashboard page that I have. I have 6 different options. I have create account option, my account, which lists all the different accounts. I have an option for deposit, withdraw, transfer if I want to transfer it to my other accounts or transfer it to a different user, and the profile shortcut, which is also available in the dashboard, in the navigation page and in the dashboard page both. So the user should be able to create a checking account. So once I click on create account, it is supposed to create a checking account, but it's currently not working. It was working before when I did milestone 2. I already showed it during the milestone 2, but it's currently not working because I messed something up. It currently says field active doesn't have a default value, so I couldn't get around how to fix that, so I just left it as it is for the moment. So yes, but I created many accounts before using that same feature, so once I click on my account, it still shows all the different accounts, and I can click on any of the accounts to see their transaction history. So the thing with transaction history is it only shows me one transaction currently. I'm not able to display all the transactions, so that is one issue that I currently have. Now let me go back to dashboard page and do the deposit and withdraw function. So when I click on the account option, it gives me a drop down of all the different accounts. It has checking accounts, loan accounts, and savings account as well. So let me pick the first account, let's say, and I could do a deposit of $2 and memo video purpose. Okay. Submit. It would say successful transaction. We can go into our VS Code and we can see if it works or not. Yep, it shows video purpose and $2 the transaction which was deposited. Okay, I think I might have a problem with the OBS because I don't think you were able to see the VS Code part when I opened it up. I'll just continue with the video. Now let's try doing the withdraw function. Click on withdraw. Same as deposit, you see all the different accounts from the top drop down menu. You click on any one and you click one. So since it only has a balance of 2, it's a successful transaction. Now let's see, this account has a balance of $5, and if I try withdrawing $10, it shouldn't be working, but it's currently showing me -5. Before it was working, so I'm not too sure. So let's see how we can change our first name and last name. We already saw that. Let's go over transfer stuff. How to transfer between accounts. So once I click on transfer account, I'll have different accounts from the drop down menu. So let's click on account ending in 1825 and the savings account 2362. So since the first account only has a balance of $3, let's pick $2 as the total amount. And memo video. Submit. It says transaction successful, so that would show up in the database as successful transaction. And once you finish this transaction, it goes back to source account and destination account. Both are the same once you finish the transfer. Now let's go to profile and see how you can switch your profile from private to public. So it's really easy. You just click on this drop down menu and you click on public if it's private, and you click on update profile, then it would say profile saved, and it would be the same thing as the first name and last name. Now let's see how we can open up the savings accounts. So for savings account, I couldn't really put one of these buttons just like profile or transfer, so I'll just do it from the URL thing. So this is the savings account page that we can see, and we can put any amount. It could be $2, let's say. So, it has to be greater than $5, correct? So it could be anything greater than 5, let's say 15. Memo, savings, video. Click on submit, and it will show you a friendly message saying savings account was successfully created. Now okay, and one more thing, you can't deposit any negative amount. So let's say I put 20, it would show me an error message saying value must be greater than or equal to 5. So let's go to dashboard page again, and let me show you how to take out a loan. So once you go to the loan page, it gives you all these different accounts that you can get a loan for. So let's click on savings, account destination, APY rate. So APY rate is supposed to be manually set in the database, but I haven't done that yet. So if you manually set the APY rate, it would show up here and it will calculate the APY rate as well. So let's click on loan amount, let's say $100. It would give you an error message saying the loan amount has to be greater than $500. So let's pick $700. Click on submit, and it currently shows me the same error that I showed you before, that the field active is causing some sort of error in my accounts page, which I'm not too sure how to fix that, so I just left it as it is for now. And the other feature which I was supposed to do is the admin role feature, which I didn't really get the time to work on, so I haven't worked on that yet. And yeah, that is about it for my presentation. I hope you like it, and yeah, I'll log out in the end. Successfully logged out.